Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add an administrator on your group on Telegram. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to add an administrator on your Telegram group, let's open up our Telegram app first. And now to add an admin on the group of Telegram, you must be the creator of that group, otherwise you'll not be able to assign an administrator on your Telegram group. Now you can see the demo group one over here I just created. Now to add an administrator on a group, you can see the group name on the top of your screen. Tap on the group name, and after that, and on this interface on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the pen icon. Tap on the pen icon, and after that, on the bottom side of the screen just above the members, you can see the administrators options available over here. Tap on administrators, and you can see currently I am the owner of this group, and if I wanted to add an admin on this group, you can see the add admin option available over top. Tap on add admin, and you can see you can select anybody who is on your group to be the admin of your group. For me it will be this one. Let's tap the friend one, and you can see you can also provide your admin with multiple permissions on your group, like delete messages, ban users, and invite users via link. You can see the manage video chats over here, and after that you can see the add new admins. Choose all these permissions to give to your admins, and after that you can see I have assigned this friend as an admin. You can see the custom title as admin, and you can see the tick mark on the top right corner of the screen, and let's tick it. And there guys, we have successfully added an admin on our Telegram group. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.